So let's do it one more time. Take your legs nice and wide. Down and over. Down, over. Look over your shoulder. Yeah. I'm coming forward so I can see what you're doing. Well done. Over you go. Perfect. One last one. Now give me those bicep curls. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me your palm. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now walk down. Take the hand weight forward. Find your plank. Square off your bum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk back. Lift up. Pick up your hand weights. Take it in and go out. 1, 2. I'm going to run out of room. Are you? 3, 4. High knee back. Yeah. Cover the distance. And go low. 1, 2. Stay with me. 3 and 4. High knee back. Lift. Lift. And again. Go out. Yes. Stay in the legs. Feel the burn. Lift the knee. Perfect. Now finish off. Out and in. Parallel, out. Parallel, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where are we going to stop? 7, 8, 9, 10. Take it down. Last time through. Over. Look over your shoulder. Breathe out. Let me see you go right down in the legs. 2 more. 1 more. Bicep curl. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show me your palms. Up. Good. Nice and high. Remember to look forward. Don't look up. Roll down. I'm going to leave one hand weight there. Walk forward. And elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk back. Roll up. 1 or 2 hand weights. High knee. Lift. High knee. Lift your chest. Perfect. Slow squat back. Down. Stay low. Really low. Yeah. Lift the knee. Up. High knee. Perfect. Do it 2 more times. Out. Out. 3. And I've got no more room. Lift the knee. Good. We'll do it again. Out. Out. Yes. And high knee. Let's go. Knee. Perfect. You look great. Stay with me. Last time. Out and in. Parallel. Out. 2. Out. 3. 4. How scary is that? 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Woohoo! Put the hand weights to one side. Shake it out. We're going to come down onto the floor, but we're not going to be too easy about it. We're going to roll down. Here's your plank, and then walk your feet in and walk them back. 3 more, and back. 2. Does this look dignified? Bum in the air. Now I'm going to do 4 jumps. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Walk to the feet. Woohoo! Grab your mat. Lie on your back. Hand weights. Elbow lines up with shoulder. Push up and turn the palms in. That's level 1. Elbows to the floor, but I'm going to make it harder. Lift your bum off the floor. Lift it and hold it. 2, squeeze the bum. 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't let your hips drop, and if your back is hurting, it means you're lowering it too close to the floor. Hands together, elbows together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay with me all the way. Yeah. Let's do that little sequence again. Elbows. 1, 2. Feel that across the chest. If you're getting tired in the legs, put the bum on the floor. But if you can stay with me, that would be great. Hands together, elbows in. Keep the bum high. Yeah, keep the elbows close to each other. Well done. Roll down for a moment. So level 1, bum was on the floor. Level 2, bum is high. Level 3, front leg over the ankle, ankle over the thigh, and lift the bum. Open the arms. 1, 2, 3. Keep the hips high. 4, 5, 6, 7. Little bend in the elbows, and 8. Going to go to 10. Might as well. Now elbows together. 1, 2, 3. Elbows close. 4, 5. Bum high. 6, 7. Other side. Take a little breather. Knees into chest. Oh, other leg. So lift, back leg, ankle over. Take the arms out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Elbows in. 1, 2. Stay with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whoa, what a workout. Roll down, knees to chest. Good. Now I've got the side plank, and this doesn't go down very well in class, I've got to be honest. Bend the bottom knee, straighten the top leg and lift. Now bring the elbow into your waist. This is a rotator cuff. Try 5 more of those. 4. This elbow is directly underneath the shoulder. Good. Now come down. I'm going to try that with a hand weight. Up on your knee. Go. 1, 2, 3. It's all about getting the shoulder stronger and keeping the elbow into the waist. Yeah, well done. Let's do that on the other side. Roll the shoulders. So the elbow is under the shoulder. Bent knee, straighten yourself up, line up, elbow in. Make sure your neck is comfortable and keep the elbow right into your waist. Give a little hip lift as well if you want to work harder. I'm going to try another 10 with a hand weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How shall we finish our time? 6, 7, 8, 9, that's it, and 10. Roll out your shoulders. If you've managed that, that is fantastic work. Tricep, fingers between your shoulders, and then across your body. Hold at the shoulder, move down to the elbow and then to the wrist. Other side, fingers between your shoulders, hold on to your elbow, and then come across. Good work. Hold on to the foot and find that stretch in the front of the thigh. That's it, push it a little further back. Lovely. Now another option is to bring the foot to that side of the knee. But if you can't do that, straighten the leg and then come over. Look over your shoulder and lift your spine long. So some of you will be able to get that leg and just push it round. Other side, hold on to the other foot. Pull it back, lift your chest. Well done, you've worked so hard today, really impressed. Bring the foot around or straighten the bottom leg and look over your shoulder. Great work. Fantastic, so come on up, roll the shoulders out. Well done, I'll see you soon.